Hi guys, back with more info about lightning detector problem. Of course I'm embarrassing myself, of course it was human error. I don't know why the hell I haven't figured this out for the entirety of yesterday. This pulse line here, as you can clearly see, connects through the transistor to the ground and is generating negative pulses. For some reason, one of them being that I had this beeper connected with a transistor, and I usually use NPN transistors pulling voltage from the plus rail. That and God knows what else, I was expecting positive pulses, and of course, no matter what I did, it was just not working because I was connecting the LED wrong. And then once I realized that, I put the LED from positive to the pulse rail, and lo and behold, this thing works. The good side things is that I actually went on and rebuilt the circuit, and it looks a bit nicer now. And one of the interesting things about this is that it seems to be a lot more sensitive now. I'm running out of battery. How did I forget this? I just shot another video. Yes, and we're soon going to test it. We have a storm forecast in a few hours, and I'll come back then and see how it behaves. It seems to be a lot more sensitive now and a lot more stable. It'll be pretty interesting. See ya.